In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy open box items on Wayfair and save big in 2025. Open box items are products that have been previously opened but remain in good condition and are often available at a discounted price. Let's dive in and explore how you can take advantage of these great deals. To start, open up your preferred web browser and type in wayfair.com. Once you're on the home page, you can either log in or, if you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Creating an account is straightforward and will make your shopping experience more personalized and efficient. It's also an excellent way to keep track of your orders and enjoy member-exclusive savings that Wayfair might offer from time to time. Once you're logged in, it's time to explore and find a product that catches your eye. Wayfair offers a vast array of products, so take your time and make good use of the search bar. Narrow down your choices by visiting specific categories or use filters to refine your search based on your preferences, such as price range, color, or brand. Doing so will make it easier to discover the perfect item for your needs. Once you have found an item that interests you, hover over it to see the Quick View option. Clicking on Quick View will give you a brief overview of the product without having to leave the main page. It's a handy feature that allows you to get essential information quickly, like the item's current price, available quantities, and customer reviews that can guide your decision-making process. If you want more detailed information about the product, click on See Full Details. This will take you to a dedicated page with comprehensive details about the item. Here, you can learn about the specifications, materials used, customer ratings, and any additional features it might have. This step is crucial for making an informed purchase decision, especially when buying open box items, as it allows you to confirm that the item will meet your expectations before purchasing. Now that you're satisfied with your choice and ready to buy, click on Add to Cart. This action will place the item in your virtual cart, but don't worry, you're not committing to buy it just yet. Visit your cart to review what's inside, apply any discounts or promotional codes you might have, and make any final decisions before proceeding to checkout. Once everything in your cart looks good to go, proceed with the checkout process by following the on-screen instructions. Enter your shipping information and choose your payment method, then finalize your purchase. Keep an eye out for confirmation emails from Wayfair detailing your order and estimated delivery dates. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the process of purchasing an open box item on Wayfair. You've not only scored a great deal, but also helped in minimizing waste by giving a previously open product a new home. Happy shopping!